Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. First thing we're going to do on today's episode is head out to fix an O2 sensor. This O2 sensor was supposedly looked at by a different mobile mechanic who wasn't able to replace it. So I'm going to grab my O2 sensor socket and head across town. That should be all I need, but these can get tricky sometimes, so hopefully there's nothing weird going on. Let's go check it out. So I get across town and I start to look at this O2 sensor and I start to realize I didn't verify whether it was the upstream, downstream, or whether it was bank 1 or bank 2. Turns out it was bank 1, which I thought was on the front side, but it's actually this one that's hidden right here on the back. You can see up there it's really hard to get to, and I'm starting to realize why the other mobile mechanic probably wasn't able to do it. I'm not going to give up that easy though. I think I'll be able to do it, so let me just get my light set up there and let's get to it. This episode is sponsored by Gooloo Jump Starter. This Gooloo Jump Starter is one of my new favorite brands. This thing can put out 4,000 amps. That's enough to start a 12-liter gasoline engine or a 10-liter diesel engine. This is the strongest jump box I have, and in this episode we'll be putting it to the test. Let me show you what it looks like real quick so you know what I'm doing when I use it. Alright, just like every good jump box, it's got a light that'll flash strobe so you can be safe on the side of the road. This is charged up to 100%. You can charge it with a rapid charger or just a normal charger. And just like any nice jump box, this one won't let you short it out. So it's safe to connect to your vehicle. It won't let you put it on backwards, and it's good to start. If you need a little extra power because your battery is completely dead, just hold this button. The construction's super nice. This is definitely going to be my new go-to jump starter. Check it out in the link in the description if you're interested in get one. If not, let's go to the video and see this thing in action. I just broke it loose there. I mean, loose enough that I think it might come out. And nope. Hope I broke it loose. I did. There it is. That other mechanic put the NICs all over it for me already. The new one right there. Plug it in. But the other mechanic also left the dustpan off and lost a few of the bolts, so that was pretty annoying. Alright, so that was actually pretty easy. I got it off after like 2 tries and I got the new one in. It took probably about 20 minutes. I don't know what was so hard to do for the other guy, but hey, better for me. On to the next job. I just got an emergency call out. Somebody's car isn't starting and the cold weather's moving in, so I'm gonna go look at it before it snows this afternoon. Just got an emergency call. I have no idea what's going on. All I know is the car won't start, so I'm gonna head across town about 5 minutes away and check that out. I was actually gonna visit another appointment in the same town at the same time, but the person hasn't responded since I've been out doing stuff today. So just so happened that like 15 minutes before, and I was just gonna grab some lunch, this person in the same town said that they needed said they had something wrong with their car. So we're gonna go check that out. Let's see what's up. Alright, so it's this white car, second one over. I almost pulled into their driveway when I was just trying to park on the street. I wasn't sure what house it was, so perfect guess. Supposedly something broke in there, quote unquote. That's all I know now. I didn't know anything when I came over here, but I said verbatim. So what happened? Did it just go from starting one time to not the next? And the only response I got was something broke in there. So I'll take a look inside the engine bay, see if I can see what broke, see if we can get it started or get it fixed. Here we go. Okay, pop the hood. I'm not going to try and start it yet. This parking spot's super long. That's nice. I see a belt. Oh, spark plug blew out. That's fun. Yep, it broke all right. Look at that. All right, that's fun. This is a super obvious, well, there's your problem moment. I'm just going to use this little toolkit today, so I brought with me to do some diagnosing and my scan tools. It's about all I need. They don't stay organized well, but this is from AutoZone. They actually make a different kind now, so I'm wondering if when I go to warranty this one, if something breaks, if I'll get the new kind or not. Ooh, one more hiding back here. Wasn't ready for that. Okay. Let's check out the carnage. Where's the spark plug? It's not in there. Where'd it go? Nobody knows. Where are the threads? They're gone too. All right, so I'm just gonna have to get a spark plug thread repair kit for this engine. We're just gonna have to tap out new threads. I'm gonna see if anything else is going on with it and just turn it over real quick. Just make sure it runs on everything except that cylinder before I go and get that. All right, so I think we're just gonna probably do new wires because I'm gonna have to get one anyway, so we'll get a new wire set if I'm gonna do that. And if we had an old spark plug blowout already, I think we should go ahead and replace those other 3 spark plugs and make sure nothing weird's going on any of those. No oil down in there. The engine looks like it's in good shape, no leaks overall. No oil down in there. And no oil down in there. Let me pull one of these and see what the condition is, if they're super old, or maybe if there's some sort of indication why that other one blew out. When working with a compact toolkit, sometimes you gotta get a little crafty. They don't have a lot of extensions, so this is what I came up with. This will work to get that spark plug out. Should, unless we got issues going on with these other ones. No, it was just in really loose. That was super easy to turn. So that may be why it blew out. They may not have ever been placed well, whoever changed them last, or they may be so old that they're just loosening up. Okay, so a little bit of oil, just some really old, is that anti-seize on there? That may be why those blew out if somebody put anti-seize on there. Yeah, see the copper right here on the tip of my glove? Somebody anti-seized these spark plugs, and that can make them blow out. I'm not sure the science behind that, but I've heard that from multiple sources. Okay, so we're gonna need to clean all that up and replace the spark plugs as well, and do a new wire set and tap those threads. Let's just make sure again that this is not got anything else major going on with it first before I run off, finish the diagnosis. All right, let's go ahead and test start this. This battery's dead. All right, let me grab a jump box. Running the motor will also help blow stuff out, like after you tap the threads. If you don't have a good vacuum or air compressor to get that out. That's not what I'm doing here, but all right, this jump box is awesome. Okay. That runs. What I like most about this jump box is that it'll heat itself up when it's cold outside. All right, well, that's a diagnosis well done. I'm gonna get some new coils and some new spark plugs quoted to this customer if they want me to do the job or want to do it themselves or whatever. You'll find out if you see me fixing this later. That was a fun one, something new and unique. I haven't seen that in a while. Always fun to get out and see something new. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next episode. Subscribe if you liked the video. It means a ton to me. And like the video for the algorithm. And I'll see you on the next episode.